In this video, where to start dismantling to replace the battery, as well as info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. The battery is located on the right hand side of the engine bay, just below this ECU cover. We're going to start by removing this bolt on the right hand side. And then also this one on the left hand side. Then push the whole box backwards to release it from these locator pins. Then, to be on the safe side, remove the negative terminal first before working on anything else. I'll post a link on the screen for more info on why we do this. But for now, this battery ain't going nowhere with this bracket, so loosen these nuts as well, and then the positive terminal. There are dimensional restrictions, especially in terms of height, as you'll see shortly with the bracket. So I'll add some specs on the size of this battery a bit later in the video. For now, start fitment in the reverse order, starting with the positive terminal. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Now let's look at the specs on this battery. A 50 amp hour battery should by default be close to these dimensions, but what's important here is to not exceed the height to fit the bracket and ECU properly. You shouldn't have any issues on startup, apart from setting the time and date, but thankfully this can be easily accessed from the menu button on the radio. If you have one-touch windows, you might have to reset the auto up limit. To do this, with the window fully down, pull and hold the switch past the second click and hold it for another 3 seconds after the window is fully closed. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.